The client had a very clear brief on this project. They wanted to create a white modernist box and to capitalise on the views out over Bristol Estuary. I'm Ashley Smith, the founding director of Smith Maloney Architects. I think the transformative effect of the design on what was a fairly generic 1950s bungalow feels like a kind of real achievement with this building. The whole orientation and the planning of this house responds to the view. In terms of the development of the outside of the house, it's very much like dealing with a piece of abstract art, and the proportion of windows and doors is absolutely critical in terms of their relationship to one another. So on this house we made a conscious effort to retain about 80% of the existing structure, which means the build has a fraction of the potential embodied carbon of a new build of an equivalent size. One of our aims was to make the bungalow feel light and spacious, and we did that by taking advantage of an undercroft at the rear of the house and dropping the floor level to create a double height space. It's a joy to come back to a building that you've worked on and invested a lot of time and effort into. And to see the clients enjoying that space it makes the job worth doing.